I ate this avocado cucumber salad every day for dinner and I lost 5 kilograms in a week. If you want to know how, keep watching to the end. Without wasting time, let's go. We are going to start with avocado. Let's put avocado into the bowl. Next, cucumber. I'm using 1 cucumber. We need cherry tomato. We need potatoes. I boil it with the skin and salt. So now we are going to peel it and add it to our salad. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe, like, and leave your comments. Let me know where you are watching me from. Thank you. If you want to enjoy your potatoes, boil it with the skin and salt. Then try it and come and thank me later. Can you see that? Add the parsley. Half teaspoon black pepper. Pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Olive oil. 2 tablespoons. Mix everything. Our salad is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you into the next video. Bye bye. Ciao. Garnish it with some white sesame.